In this video, I am going to show you how you can make a very low budget desktop computer using Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi is a popular single board computer. At first, I want to tell you that what works can you do with it and what not. I am also going to discuss about gaming on Raspberry Pi. So you can easily decide whether is it really useful for your work or not. It is not a big sized tower PC with a Windows operating system, but it can run Windows app. This computer has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and LAN connectivity, 2 USB 2.0 and 2 USB 3.0 ports. For sound output, you can use any audio speaker, also you can use a Bluetooth speaker. You can connect a pen drive, USB hard drive, printer, scanner, digital drawing pad, webcam, Android phone via USB. It can play 4K videos and support all popular audio and video formats like MP4, MPEG, MP3, WAV, etc. You can copy and transfer files. For official work, here are LibreOffice Suite software with it. You can see Office interfaces. You can create, open, edit, save, docx files. You can see all Office supported file formats are here. Work with Excel datasheet. Full function use of web browser, download, upload, browsing, Google, Facebook, YouTube, etc. .3D printer slicer software is running smoothly. WhatsApp Zoom app is also available for it. Blender, it is an open source 3D modeling and animation software. You can use small Windows app using an emulator. But don't expect the full function of Windows app support. So it is very useful for basic office works, online learning and work from home purpose. It has inbuilt useful programming learning apps for students. You can edit basic pictures and do light graphical jobs. For gaming on this Raspberry Pi, here are some inbuilt games. You can use RetroPie, which can run many types of retro games like NES, SNES, PSX, GBA, PC Engine, PSP and many more games, but don't expect to play very high graphics latest games. It is not possible on this PC. Here are some sample games using RetroPie, but you can see I am not a good player. You need to make a Raspberry Pi desktop. Raspberry Pi 4 motherboard. It is available different variants, Pi 3, 3B, 4, etc. But I will recommend use a minimum Raspberry Pi 4 with 4GB RAM. For a better experience, you can choose 8GB RAM also. Heatsink for Pi 4. 3A smartphone charger and USB-C type good quality data cable for power supply. Raspberry Pi case and fan. Class 10 micro SD card. I am using 16GB, you can use more. USB mouse and keyboard. Also you can use wireless mouse and keyboard. Micro HDMI to HDMI cable, any audio speaker and 3.5 to 3.5 mm cable for sound output, or you can use headphone. Micro SD card reader, a monitor or LCD TV with HDMI port. For RetroPie gaming, you have to use an USB gamepad. I made a custom homemade joystick gamepad. You can watch the making video of this. The video link is in description. For first time operating system installation, you need a Windows computer or laptop. This PC has not any hard drive, its OS will run from SD card. If you want more storage space, you have to use an USB hard drive, but I am not going to use any hard drive. At first, you have to install 3 heat sinks on Raspberry Pi. Then insert it in a case. Install the fan and connect the fan to GPIO pins. The heatsink and fan installation details video link is in the video description. All components come with a kit. You can check the price from the link in the video description. Connect monitor, mouse and keyboard, audio speaker. Now the hardware part is ready. Raspberry Pi OS download and installation on SD card. We have to burn the operating system for Raspberry Pi on a SD card. For burning OS, we have to use a Windows PC. It needs only for the first time. After that, no need any other PC support. Open your Windows PC. We have to download a free software for Windows. You can find a link in the video description for download and more details. Download Raspberry Pi Imager software for Windows. You can download it also for Mac and Linux. Download Raspberry Pi Imager software from here. Now download the latest version of the Raspberry Pi desktop image. It is the operating system of Pi and it is free. Download Raspberry Pi OS with desktop and recommended software. Size near about 3 GB. Now install the Raspberry Pi Imager software on your PC. Unzip the Pi OS zip file. Unzip is done and here you can see the image file. Its size about 8 GB. Insert your SD card using a card reader. It is my SD card drive. The drive letter may be different on your computer. Make sure your card has not any important files, otherwise all files will be deleted from the SD card after image burning. Open Raspberry Pi Imager, choose OS. Now go to Use Custom. Now select the image file which is unzipped. Click on Open. Now choose Storage. Select SD card. Here please be careful that you are choosing right SD card. Now click on Write. Showing warning for SD card. It takes some time. Now it is completed. Click on Continue. Now insert the SD card on Raspberry Pi. Connect power and it is ready for work. Now our Raspberry Pi desktop is ready for work. You can install additional software using command terminal. If you have any question about it, please write in comment. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video.